I'm going to actually show you how to upload a video to YouTube. So you create your YouTube account, you make sure your branding is set up, create a channel name that is reflectant on who you are, what you do. It can be your own name, or it can be like the creators who monetize community. Make sure that your heading is something that grabs attention, right? Getting low views on YouTube, you still need to do this in 2024. In case anybody is getting low views and they're searching, hey, how do I increase my views? Now, if you want to learn what keywords to use in the title, there's tools that I mentioned in our Creators Who Monetize community in the affiliate marketing course. There's tools like YouTube Buddy and certain other ones that can show you. For example, getting low views, what would the person on the other side of the internet be searching? Sometimes your video pops up based on the keywords and the description that you have here. So even if they're searching how to increase views, your video might pop up. So it doesn't mean your title doesn't need to be an exact match. How to increase views. All right, so I'm going to say how to increase YouTube views. How to increase YouTube views. Okay. How to increase YouTube views. You still need to do this. Okay, you still need to, there you go. Then put a description. So I'm just doing this really fast. Put your description, make sure your description is thorough, although some people get a lot of views without having a thorough description. Sometimes it's hit or miss, but all these little things that you do help you to increase views and to be found long term, especially when you're creating content that is value driven, problem solution. You're talking about a problem, giving a solution. They're searching how do you do this, things like that, or comparing a software, beacons versus Standstore. Anyway, let's go here. I hate when it goes like that. Fantastic. So we've done that. Now over here, you've done the title, you've done the description. Put a call to action. For example, come join. Come. All right, then you've created your thumbnail. You can create a beautiful thumbnail on Canva. There's millions of designs that you can create, for example, but I'm going to keep mine without a thumbnail. Some people do really well without a thumbnail. Lisa the Lizard, that girl on YouTube. So you don't always need a thumbnail, but thumbnails can definitely help. So upload your thumbnail. What playlist are you going to put it in? So I need to go organize my playlist because I haven't been using YouTube for a while. I will be. Software reviews for creators. I'm just going to put it here for now, but that's not the right playlist. Now, yes, it's made. No, it's not made for kids. It's not a cartoon, so you click no. Go down. These are my how to YouTube session tips. That's it. And you can also put a few broad ones that has to relate to your video, but who would be your customer avatar? Who would be your ideal audience? Who do you want to attract? Okay, making money online. No, not make money online. Let's just go like that. You can always come back and optimize your keywords. All right. Now, comments on. Yep, keep the comments on. There you go. Go next. Subtitles. It's always great to add subtitles. There's a lot of people out there that type manually. It's generating for us. There's a lot of people out there that look at videos without the noise on. They might be on the train, on the bus, so they're watching videos without the volume on. So put your captions on. Type manually, no. Upload file, no. Auto sync we want. Let's just close that for now. Add end screen. So this is how. So if you want to add an end screen, you can direct people to the next playlist, the next video that's related to this. So just have a little look around here. These two things you should do in your own time in order to be able to guide people to your next playlist, your next video, all that. I just repeated myself. Next. They're going to check my video. Next. Public, yes. Schedule. You can even schedule when a video gets posted. So you can create 6 videos in advance, schedule them for 6 weeks in advance so that it posts without you having to be there. You can also schedule your YouTube live videos, which is really good. You can go live. Now it's loading, 73%. Now, while it's loading, let's just go back and check some settings. Okay, add subtitles. Reach broader audience by adding subtitles to your video. That's a real good decision, guys. I just don't have time right now. Next. So this is how you SEO optimize the video. So Create your profile, make sure it's optimized. Click on that plus icon, upload your video, either schedule it or post it right now. And when you're scheduling, add it to the correct playlist. Make sure you have nice, neat playlists. Maybe one playlist is dedicated to get ready with me videos. Maybe one is related to fitness, mindset, healthy living. Who knows? It's all based on your content pillars. You want to make sure that your content strategy is aligned with the type of audience that you want to attract. Who are you? Who's the tribe that you're creating? Is your content kind of consistent? It's not about supercars one day and nails the next day, is it? You can still do well, but only after a while when you established an audience, when they know you, like you, and trust you, then you can keep it really random. But to begin with, try to have some sort of consistency, right, in terms of the content pillars and what you talk about, so that they know when you're posting, that she's back, she's going to post about this or that. Some people have channels dedicated to crime. All they talk about is crime stories. They have like 1 million followers. Why? Because you know that you're going to hear an interesting crime story. I'm going to continue uploading this. Any questions, come join our Creators to Monetize community and let us know what the questions are.